First on 4 tonight, the Cameron County judge is back in town after testifying at a security hearing in Washington, D.C.
County Judge Eddie Trevino spoke with Homeland Security earlier today. CBS 4's Patrick Shalvier has more on what was discussed in that meeting.
Cameron County Judge Eddie Trevino spent the last week in Washington, D.C. discussing border security.
Hopefully in Washington they're going to pay attention to the concerns and needs and the nuances associated with the particular area, wherever it may be.
Among the many topics of discussion were the border wall, which Trevino says isn't a, quote, one-size-fits-all scenario.
It also probably doesn't fit with much of the terrain and the geography that we find along the particular border.
After hearing testimonies from Secretary John Kelly, Trevino said Kelly's recent trip to the Valley cut the stigma of border life.
That the border is a area from the wild old west, you know, where guns are blazing and people are being shot and killed and women and children can't go out after dark or things of that nature.
Trevino also emphasized technology. One idea he has is a virtual wall, but in order to do that, upgrades are needed.
Much of the technology that's in place here in the Brownsville sector, for example, hasn't been upgraded or updated since 1997.
San Benito resident Diana Sanchez believes a wall shouldn't even be an option.
Todos somos humanos y yo no creo que Dios haya querido poner barreras de ninguna manera.
Her only hope is that leaders in Washington will listen to what elected officials here suggest.
Para nosotros es muy importante que tomen ese tiempo, ¿verdad?, de ver y proveer lo que necesitamos precisamente para eso, hablando de protección.
In Cameron County, Patrick Shalvier, CBS 4 News and ValleyCentral.com.
There currently is no timetable on when Trevino plans on returning to the nation's capital, but he does say if he's invited, he will graciously accept.